Hello, how are you all? Fine? Okay. Today our topic is gravitation. What is gravitation? What is gravity? If we see the definition of gravity, then definition is Earth is pulling down with invisible force called gravity. There is one story on gravity or gravitation we already heard. Newton sitting beside the tree of apple and apple fall down. Because of the fall down apple, Newton think that why this apple fall down towards the earth? What is the reason behind that? There is one addition question. Every object fall down towards the earth. Then why not moon? Newton asked this question to himself. If apple fall down, then why not moon? So let us explain this theory. See, if we do one practical, suppose this is a string, ready? It's not only a string, but suppose this is a string and this is a object which I hanging there. And if I am rotating like this, then if you see clearly, when I rotating, this object is not pulled down towards the earth. It's actually move against the gravity. And when I stop it, it goes down. So this similar thing is happened to moon. Moon is not a steady object. Moon is constantly moving around the earth. So there is some force is acting on the moon which actually balancing gravity. And that is known as centrifugal force. Okay. So let us explain what is gravitation. What is gravitational force? So this force is attract every object towards each other. The one object which have a mass attract another object which have a mass, and both object attract each other with equal force. That is gravitational force. According to Newton explanation, if we take one example, if this is a m1 mass, here is a m2 mass, both separated at some distance by d, then the force acting on it is directly proportional to a product of both mass and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. So if you combine these two, then F directly proportional to m1 m2 upon d square. To remove this proportionality, we have to add a constant, that is g, m1 m2 upon d square. Ready? This g is known as universal gravitational constant. Ready? Its value of g is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. By experimentally, we get this value and it is constant to all of the object. And the unit of these, we know force unit is Newton. Because of the honor of Newton, we use force unit Newton. So Newton, this d comes to multiplication, d is the distance, so distance square, and this m1 and m2 is the mass. So if we write down the unit of this g, then this unit is Newton into meter square upon kg square. It is a mass unit. So there is one question rise in your mind, that if any object attract another object and this called gravity, then why not this pen attract another pen like this? If I leave it this two pen, then it fall down. Why not both attract each other? We clearly see on earth. And there is another question also rise in your mind. If two objects always attract to each other, then why don't two humans get pulled towards each other? Yes or no? So the answer is that, suppose this is the first person and this is the second person on earth. Both feel an attraction force, gravitational force, because both have some mass. According to Newton theory, mass attract the force. So that attraction force, if we denote it by Fp, the force of person, and we on earth also have mass. A mass of earth is suppose me. Ready? But if we compare our mass or mass of person to earth, then is very much low. Ready? Mass of earth is very, very greater than mass of person. So that's why what happened, a gravitational force by earth on person is so huge than gravitational force in between these two person. That's why this both person pull down to earth, not attract each other. There is a force acting between both person, but its value is too minimum. Its value is nearest to zero as compared to a attraction force of earth. This is the reason why two person not attract each other. Both have mass but not attract each other. They both pull down to earth. Okay. So in the next video we discuss about new topic and some numerical regarding this topic. Thank you.